Hey everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to record a presentation using something like screencast-o-matic.com. The link that you will go to start is screencast-o-matic.com. You see there's a couple of little hyphens here around the O. And the first screen that you will get to looks like this. I copied an image of it onto the slide so you can see exactly what you're looking at. You don't need an account. Don't worry about this login or sign up. Just start right here in the middle with record for free. If you don't see that screen, this first screen you might see is this one. This is the one you need. Again, don't worry about login. Don't worry about sign up. Go straight to launch free recorder. If you've never done this before, it might ask you a few permissions, like does it have permission to use your camera, and does it have permission to use your microphone? You can allow for both of those things. Once it has permission to get started, you're going to see a black and white checkered box. Looks like this one. It's going to show up on your screen. You'll also get a few buttons here. This is the program itself to record. So everything in the black and white checkered box is going to be in your video. Anything outside of that box will not be recorded in your video. You have the option here to select to record just your screen, just yourself on the webcam, or both. Right now you see a little video of me and my screen, so I've clicked both. It wouldn't make sense for this project to record your presentation with webcam only, so you would either choose both or you would choose just to record your screen so I can see your slides. There is a maximum time. I don't worry that anybody's going to get to that maximum time limit. If you want to close this window, you want to hit the little X here or the little gear to close your settings. Hitting cancel will cancel this whole recording box and you have to click launch free recorder again. Then when you're ready to get started, just hit the record big red button. It's going to do a short countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to start your recording. Right now I have my black and white checkered box set up to be my whole Google Slides presentation. If I had moved this box to just be around the slides, I might have a window here that just shows my slides, maybe a little of extra space if I want to include my picture in the corner. And then you'll be able to record your slides, tell me a little bit about the project itself, go through all of the information you need. You can click over on the side. Even if this isn't in your recording screen, you are allowed to click on things that are outside of the recording screen so that you're able to maybe change slides, click on links, and do that sort of thing. When you're finished, the recording button here, this changes to a little pause. When you're done, you can hit pause and it will say to upload, I think is the last command. So we'll use that to save your work, and you can just send me the little file that it comes out with for your recorded project. Like I said, this recording is optional. The other option is you can just screen share when we do our class meetings on Tuesday afternoons, and then you will not have to do a recording. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help you out.